Oh, look at that. An eagle has just got something there. What's that? Fox, come here. Foxy, here, heel here. What the heck? Look at that giant eagle there. It's got something real big. I just noticed him. Is it a fish? I thought for a second it was another bird. I think it is. I think it's a seagull. That's what I think. Could be wrong. It's the first time I've seen an eagle on the beach. Yeah, it's so big I don't think he could carry it. And it is a seagull. I don't know if he just killed it or he's going to do some snacking now. It's too heavy to fly off with, I think. He's plucking them now. Look at all the feathers. Oh my gosh. What a scene, man. Fox, come here. Zoom in. Stay. Stay here. Come here. Fox, heel. Sit. 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 Oh. I got a feeling that he's going to do it. Wow. Look at that. I'm calling fresh blood on the scene, so I think he must have just caught that seagull. In the fog, I guess the seagull wasn't paying attention. So I imagine. Look at the span of those talons, hey? Goodbye, Mr. Seagull.